My name is Monsalve. Age I am 30 years old. Nationality Colombia. City Santo Domingo, Antioquia. Family. We are 7 people, formed by my mother, my father, 1 sister, and 3 brothers. I live with my mother, my father, and 1 brother. I am studying agronomy. I like study, listening to music, watching TV, cooking ribs, chicken, do exercising, going to the movies. I dislike driving, playing a musical instrument, playing a basketball. My last trip was to the city of Medellin for my niece's birthday. I was at the mall. The next trip is to in the city Cartagena to share a weekend with my family.